What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. God, that one was horrible, wasn't it? We're just rolling through tonight. We've done brakes on a 14 Sentra. Had to pause the video for the night on the speakers because we didn't know we needed speaker adapters to put those speakers in. So we're going to finish that one up tomorrow night.
Yep.
We've already done Remy's. Come find out it wasn't slide pins that were...
I figured it was hardware.
Yeah, as soon as you heard it, you pretty much picked up on it. Got bad hardware. Pads are getting really low. He's actually behind us right now researching some cross-drill slotted stuff and some good stuff to put on that one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Do it after Matt style. So, for the first time ever in our shop, well, kind of in the shop, it was pretty close.
Yeah.
We've got a Jeep Wrangler. Well, even the owner don't know exactly what lift. It's like 2.5, 3 inch lift on this thing. We're gonna do some work to it tonight. We're gonna put in some pretty sick looking.
Yeah, pull them things out. Go and hold them up next to the new or the old ones.
We'll see. This is passenger side here.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing this is gonna be the brake light, reverse light. But I mean.
Yeah, it's gonna be the before and then the after. All LED. It's gonna look sick, man.
Yeah. And what's nice is he's
won't be looking like Christmas with the red and green.
Right. Beautiful color.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful Jeep.
It's like an army green.
Yeah. I'm not really a big Jeep fan. Obviously, y'all should know that. But I don't know. I'm kind of liking it. It's pretty cool.
I wouldn't mind having a Jeep.
Yeah, I mean.
An older one.
Yeah, we got a lot of trails and stuff around here we can actually go riding.
Yeah. Hey, back in Georgia, we didn't have that.
No.
Not a whole lot.
Far north.
Yeah.
Or far south to go flat sand riding or whatever.
Yep.
But around here, we got all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can go down dirt roads and find trails. It's insane.
Yeah.
But, we're going to swap out these taillights. He had told us that he looked up some stuff on, because there's headlights that we're going to do next week. Fog lights. And of course, this thing has a steel front bumper. It's like a 150-pound front bumper.
Oh, yeah.
Everything's plug and play, except for the fog lights. They've got a turn signal.
We'll figure it out and show y'all how to
we'll
get those right.
Right, it's going to be pretty easy. But tonight, we're going to embark on our first Jeep.
Yep.
I mean, obviously, I've done this stuff working in the field, like changing different stuff like this, but it's the first time on the channel.
Yes, sir.
First time for everything now.
Yeah, man. It should be pretty straightforward. It looks like it.
I mean, 4 screws, unplug them, plug them back up, put the screws back in,
yeah.
And we'll get him to come out, and the owner, Alex, get him to hit the brake, just make sure the reverse and everything works before we actually screw one on, just to make sure. I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. There's really no directions to it, but I'm pretty sure that's right.
Yeah, it looks just plug and play.
Yeah, another one is passenger. I mean, that's the way I would see it.
All right, man, let's get into it.
Let's do it, man. I guess we'll start on the passenger side first and then jump over to the driver's side. And we'll take you on the trip. Let's do it. Yeah, it's pretty simple on these Jeeps.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I already started taking that one out.
Yep.
I mean, the greatest thing about a Jeep, they're easy to work on. I mean, there is a lot of truth to the saying, just empty every pocket.
Yeah, because you start lifting it, you gotta start changing some stuff out, control arms, all kinds of stuff, just to help with the drivability of them. But, I mean, if you got the money, hey, you have a pretty sick Jeep. Ain't too bad stock neither.
No. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one has the 3.6 V6, but a lot of the older ones have the 4-liter straight 6.
Yeah, which are awesome.
You even go back further than that, they got 4 cylinders on too. So I got the 4 screws out.
Literally just pops right out.
Unplug this. That's a non-typical Chrysler plug. Nothing like Hulk was, where you had the little slide pin to unplug it.
Yep. That's all it is, man. We'll go ahead and clean that up too. We'll go ahead and clean all this up before we put that new one on there.
Yeah.
We'll go and clean it up, man.
Yeah, you got your detailer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can throw some detailer on it.
We'll
I'm
be
gonna
right.
plug it up real quick, see what it looks like.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Before and the after.
Yeah, we're talking like total difference. You want to hit the lights?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the parking lights real quick.
Go ahead, hit it, man. Before and after. It's a lot brighter.
That's just parking lights.
Yeah, it's just parking lot. That's not even brake lights or reverse.
Signals.
Nothing.
The reverse lights are ridiculous. And
It's
it's
super
nice.
bright.
Instead of them being low, they're
Yep.
mid with the LED.
Yep.
Looking so good. Perfect choice. And what was nice, he bought these as a kit, fog lights, headlights, and the tail lights.
And that'll be
Like
in the next video
$300. Yeah.
of this Jeep.
Right, and guys, we were wrong about something. You only have to take the 2 inner screws out.
Yep, that's all you gotta do. Yep. That screw. That screw. On these, on the new ones, these, you can see that. Maybe, maybe not. Those are actually fake screws. They don't do anything.
Well,
They hold the side panel on, but they literally don't do anything.
yeah, watch.
Pretty much.
Watch
Yeah.
this.
You take that off, those 2 on the inside.
Put those in the toolbox,
Yep.
and then
Pops
bam,
right out.
done. And then you just unplug it.
Yep. All you gotta do is take 2 screws out.
Oh, this has got toe hits on it. There it is right there.
All you gotta do is unplug it and
Oh, this one's different.
plug up the new one, and you're good to go. Like I said, from that to that.
So guys, no joke, plug and play system.
All it takes.
And this actually has a towing adapter into it as well.
We may not be able to clip it to this one, but
Yeah.
it was clipped to the OE. It should be fine just sitting in there.
Yeah.
It's all protected.
Now we just got to get it lined up. Push it back to the side.
Dogs. Yep.
Lincoln and Zelda love to bark, so please ignore them. They're brother sister. They're
Yep.
wonderful pups.
Yep. All we gotta do is get this lined up, screwed in, and we'll show you the final product.
Yeah, both of them with the plastic off. Remember our story. Never take the plastic off until you're done.
Yep.
So guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Another one down tonight. Big shout out to High Beam Off-Road. I think this was the Baja, I think it was Baja series. Dune series.
Dune
taillights.
series, yeah.
And now, the owner of this Jeep grabbed the tail lights, the headlights, and fog lights for a little over $400. So,
Which
go
ain't
check
bad.
it out. No, it's
Yeah,
not.
full LED kit.
Yeah.
You got fog lights, headlights, tail lights.
And they're ridiculously bright.
The headlights have color changing, which you'll see in the next video of
next
it.
video.
It'll be the headlights, fog lights,
Yep.
and it's got a lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
As
lifetime-
Remy whispered
lifetime
in my-
warranty. And he was
my ear.
explaining to me that if something was to happen to this tail light, all you gotta do is call.
They'll replace it.
And he'll replace it.
Yep.
So
Yeah, because I mean, you're gonna be taking off road, I'm sure.
yeah,
It's a Jeep.
Yeah, he takes it off road. He's part of a Jeep club, and like I said, there's so many trails around here that they go off roading all the time. So
Yep.
that's what they do. That's what you buy a Jeep for. You don't buy it to be a pavement princess.
But yeah, all it was 2 screws to pull it off, and you unplug. Yeah,
Plug it up.
just plug it up, make sure it works, and then screw it back up. You're good.
Right. And what's cool is the majority of the stuff in the front that we're going to do next week with
It's
the
the
fog
same
lights
way.
is plug and play. This Jeep had factory fog lights. The only reason we're not doing it tonight is because you don't have the back bracket to
Yeah.
actually hold the fog lights in. And we're going to do a little modification to make them work, but
It's gonna come out good.
yeah. And then it also has a turn signal in it. It's like a halo around the actual light. So we'll wire that like we said a minute ago. We'll show you how to do it. I mean, it's pretty simple. We're just going to tie into the actual blinker wire, find the one that blinks,
Yep.
and wire it up. Every time the blinker turns on, it'll pop that ring on. So, well, I don't know, man. I'm kind of digging the Jeep thing.
Yeah, pretty cool.
I know another. Well, they weren't a father-son duo like us, but they're a brother duo. That's how they started.
That's how they started.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Goon Squad. Shoot out there. I mean, that's how they got started.
They're doing Jeeps, and they got WRX.
Yeah. And then they bought the
Mustang.
the 15 S550 Mustang, and then the Corvette, and then on and on.
Yep.
Yeah. All the way down to Ferraris, which I
don't know about that, man.
Yeah. No,
it's cool, but I don't know about it.
Yeah, I don't know about a Ferrari or maybe a Lamborghini. I could probably see a Lamborghini.
Yeah,
the maintenance ain't nowhere near as bad as a Ferrari. So.
Yeah, you got spark plugs burning out. But yep, that's gonna wrap it up, man.
Yeah, let's do it. Good night. Got a lot of stuff done. Hope you guys enjoy the videos as always. Back in the shop tomorrow. Finish up on the speakers. So this video might hit before the speaker video. Yeah, we'll drop this one before the speaker video.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So we got some videos coming to you guys this week. 3 in total. Yeah, 3.
Maybe 4. Depends.
Yeah.
Who knows? May think of something to do a podcast. Who knows? I mean.
Oh yeah, we do have 2 podcasts that we need to drop.
Yep.
Man.
Yeah, don't give it out though.
No? Well, everybody knows we're wanting to do the Z Proto.
And then the Mustang one.
And then the Mustang one.
Yeah, man.
And you never know what might happen in between there. So
yeah.
Thank you guys once again for all the love and support. We appreciate everything you do for us. Keep hitting that thumbs up. Keep liking. Keep subscribing. Tell people about us. Get those subscriptions in. Don't forget the Instagram page. Speaking of which, we need to check.
Yeah.
Yeah. We do check it, guys. Trust me.
Never post, but we do check it.
Yeah, never post on there. I do post on the Facebook page. Don't forget it. Aftermath Garage YouTube channel. That's what it's under. So, with that being said, y'all have a great week. Stay positive. And always remember, dream big.